I've been trying to learn full OLL for ages, but today's the day I'm finally gonna do it. As fast as I can. Let's go. I need to stop running from this. I mean, people think I'm a quitter, but come on. Daniel Kidd ain't no quitter. Well, so let me look up awkward shape made easy and see what I can find. So it goes R. So I've given myself an hour to see how many of my remaining 18 algorithms I can learn, but knowing my brain, it's probably going to take a little bit longer to stick, but we'll see how we go. In fact, look at this. Never mind. Oh, I thought that'd be so cool. Fine. So it's like from the back. Okay. What is this one? How do I know this? Then it goes. Let me see this. Good. Oh my god, isn't no, it's just that. That's it. That is it. Oh my god, that's so easy. What that is from that animal. And that's the timer going. Oh, okay. I don't know if I know them, but we'll find out, I guess. Do I know them? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Hello, everybody. Some time has passed. Let's see if I still know the algorithms. Let's see if I've learned them. So I've plugged the algorithms that I've learned into jprim.net and it will give me a random one to try and solve. So let's see how we go. Number one is this. So it has, okay, I think I know this one. I think it's a soon, then an F sexy F prime from this angle. It is. One down. So let's just be careful. Two down. We're getting a bit harder, but I think it's. Okay, that wasn't it. Let me try again. This one. Okay, it's not immediately coming to me. Good. Wow. Good. Oh, God. Oh. Alright, guys, it's the next day, and I'd say I know about half of them. So let's see if I can really just push my brain and just get the other half to stick, you know? This is going to be tough. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit and I'm wearing my party outfit because you know what they say, dress for the result you want. And I'm hoping that I'm going to get all 9 of these right. So let's just start off with number 1. This one. Oh no wait, R2. Nice. This one next. Nice, good. I have little like mnemonics in my head on how I remember them all. Next is this one, then I do this on the right, and it's boom. Good, oh my god, I'm insane. And this one, it's broken. Nope, I did the wrong unit. Yes, that still counts, man, I got it. This one is on the bottom, so I do. I'm actually so good. I had it right? Yeah, there we go. That all happened last time, but we'll take that. Okay, I think we're back. Are we back? Got them all done. Guys, it's over. It's over! It's over, guys. It's over. Yes! I did it, guys. Oh, I learned full OLL. Subscribe, this was a lot of work. Please like and subscribe.